চন্দ্রনাথ, ওকে। বৃষ্টি। Okay. Previous day, I have discussed that multiple images, number of when two mirrors are at an angle, how many numbers of image are formed. That I have discussed today. Just in class 8, I have discussed one thing. Okay. Sir, have you got our answers? No, yet I have not got yet. Okay. How was the question? First of all, how was the question on maths? Everyone. Okay. Look at the board, everyone. Two mirrors. Mirror 1 and mirror 2. Distance between them is 20 centimeter. Okay, distance between them is 20 centimeter. That is mirror 1, that is mirror 1 and mirror 2, that is mirror 1 and mirror 2. Now one point is here, that is object. And previous day I have told you that so many images will form when two mirrors are kept in parallel. Okay, now tell me, between that object is here at 5 centimeter. Listen it carefully. Okay, 5 centimeter. And obviously then it will be that distance 15 centimeter from the mirror to object. Okay, now it will form so many images. Among them, tell me the distance of first image, second image and third image distance from the object. Listen it carefully again. Tell me the distance of first image, second image and third image from the object. Okay, so mirror, which I will take, image at M1 first image, mirror at M2 second image, image of that image into that mirror to image, that will be the third image. Okay, so what will be the distance of the images from the object? Tell me the answer quickly. First answer, first image, that is 20. Write it down in answer that in comma form, 10 15 10 comma 15 comma 20, in that form. Okay, first three images. 10 15 20, 10 15 20 who answer? Rosni. Okay, quickly. Twenty, 30, 35. Okay, 1 minute more, 15 10 seconds more. After that I will solve it. 20, 30, 50. Okay, okay, now I am solving. Okay, so that object is here, so it will form an image at M1, that will be here, that is I1. And we know that from the mirror object distance and image distance are same. As it is 5 centimeter from the object, it also be 5 centimeter. Okay, now that image, the distance of image from the object, that is 5 plus 5, 10 centimeter. Got it? Next, that image also form another image at M2, so it is 15 centimeter from the mirror, that will be here. Here also be 15 centimeter, that is I2. Got it? Now listen one thing, that is 15, it is 15. Now what is the distance between I2 and object? I2 and object, that is 30 centimeter. Got it? Next things, that I1 image, tell me, first of all, tell me what is the distance between mirror 2 and I1 image. What is the distance between mirror 2 and I1 image? Image 1, 25, 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 25. So that image will form here, that is also be 25. Okay, that distance also be 25. Now what is the distance between object and image? What is the distance between object and image? I3. Okay, so it is 25 plus 15, so 40 centimeter. Anyone answer has matched or not? Chandranath? First of all, in the first you have not understood. Okay, which portion? Okay, I will again discuss it. I will again discuss it. Listen it carefully, very much carefully. You have to, me too. Okay, very good. Sneha is also not able to understand. Okay, again I am solving. How many times you will say I will solve? Okay, I will not be, and I have not any irritation. Me too. Okay, all of you, all. Okay. That is mirror 2. Mirror 1. Object is here 5 centimeter, and that distance 15 centimeter. Okay, total 20. First of all, tell me, that object will form an image here, that is Y1. Tell me the distance. Tell me the distance, image and mirror 1. Image and mirror 1, 10. How can it possible? Image and mirror 1, 5 centimeter. As it is 5, it is 5. So distance of image 1 from the object, that is 5 plus 5, 10 centimeter. Got it, everyone? Any problem? Any problem? Rosni Singh, Oisi, Sneha, any problem that I1 at 10 centimeter from the object? Any problem? Okay, next. Now that object is here, that will again form an image on M2 mirror. We know that mirror distance, object distance equal to image distance. So that distance is 15 centimeter. That distance is 15 centimeter. So it will form here an image at 15 centimeter from the mirror, that is I2 image. That is I2 image. Got it? Now one thing, it is 15, it is 15. So image distance means I2 distance from object. I2 distance of object. Okay, so that is 30 centimeter. Got it, everyone, or not? Got it, everyone, or any problem that I2 is 10 centimeter at a distance? Yes, very good. Now again I1 image. First tell me, I1 image again form an image at M2 mirror. Listen it carefully. I1 image will form an image on M2 mirror, because we know that so many images will form. So first of all, mirror M2 and I1 image distance, tell me the distance, tell me the total distance. 20 and 5, so that is 25. Yes or no? Yes or no? Next, so that image also be from here, from the 25 distance, 25 centimeter distance. So that there is, here is I3, here is I3, from here it is 25 centimeter distance. From here it is 90. Why 25 centimeter? Because from here I1 image distance is 25, so from that mirror I3 image also be 25 centimeter. Why I3 is okay? You can, okay, that question from Rosni. So you can take I2 from here. You can take it. You can take it that you will take that first image I2. It will form at a mirror 1. I will take that image at I3 image. You can take, but I am doing here. Okay, I am doing here. Okay, actually Rosni want to say, sir, that I2 again, I2 image will form at M1 mirror. I2 image that will again form at M1 mirror. That may be I3 image. Is that Rosni? But I am telling here, take I1 at M1, I2 at M2, then again from I1. Okay. Rosni taken that I1 image whose reflected, whose image is I3. Okay. Now the distance of I1 from the mirror 2, that is 25. So that I3 image also be, first of all tell me, I3 image of what? That image I3 image of what? Which image? Oh my god, nobody can answer. Sir, 12, but if we take 12 centimeter, what did you get 12 centimeter? I2, if you take I2, okay, I2 on M1, I2 at M1. Why did, because it, as it is M1, that's why it is, I am taking it I1. Okay. Listen it carefully. Object that I1 distance between I1 and mirror, that is 25 centimeter. That is 25 centimeter. So that I1 will form an image at M2 mirror, at that is I3. I am taking I3. Okay. Just first of all, leave that confusion that sir, why I3 will not at M1. Distance form, sir, I calculate distance by forming I1 on M2. I1 and on M2, that is the third image. Take that image as third image. Okay. Which portion, Rosni? First two images, any confusion? I1 and I2? First two images, any confusion? Tell me quickly. Third one. Okay. Okay, I will again it solve in another way. First of all, I1 image will form another image on M2 mirror, that is taken as I3. Take it. After that I will solve in another way. Okay. Okay. So I1, distance between I1 and M2 mirror, it is 25 centimeter. It is 25 centimeter distance between I1, because that is 5. So 5 plus 5, 10. It is distance 15 centimeter. Total distance 25. Once more. Oh my god. mirror, M2 mirror and M1 mirror. Okay, an object, distance between them is 20 centimeter. Distance between them is 20 centimeter. One object is here, that is 5 centimeter from the mirror 1. Okay, that object, listen it carefully, that object will form another image on M1 mirror, that is I1, and as it is 5 centimeter, it also be 5 centimeter. So distance of image I1 from the object 5 plus 5, 10 centimeter. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Next, that object also form another image on M2 mirror. It is 50, as it is total 20, as it is 5, so it be 15 centimeter. Okay, and that object will form a image here, as it is 15 centimeter, it also be 15 centimeter, that is I2. Now the distance of I2 image and object 15 plus 15, that is 30 centimeter. Got it? Now just tell me I1 image, what is the distance between, just this question, what is the distance between I1 and mirror 2? What is the distance between I1 and mirror 2? Tell me. Sneha, 40 centimeter, how? 5, 15, 40. First one, that is 5 centimeter. It is 5 centimeter. It is 15 centimeter. You are giving answers at 40 centimeter. How is it possible? 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 15, 25. Not from I1, listen it carefully, not from I1 to I2, I1 to mirror 2, I1 to mirror 2. Tell me the distance. (25 centimeter). 25 centimeter. Then if I1 will form an image on M2, that also be on 25 from the mirror 2, then I1 image is here. I1 image is here. So it is distance 25. It also be 25 according to the rule that object distance and image distance are same. According to the rule, object distance and image, it is the image distance, object distance, that is 25 centimeter. So here also be 25 centimeter. Got it, everyone? Okay, I think so as it is 25, so 25 plus 15, 40. So I3 distance between I3 image and the object, that is 25 plus 15, 40 centimeter. Okay, that video. Okay, very good, thank you. Otherwise now I have done it 3 times. Okay, this video will be uploaded on YouTube. That time you will again watch it. I hope you will get that answer. Okay, thank you students, bye.